Hi, good evening. Myself Mohammed Faisal, and I have completed my engineering Dr. Ambedkar Institute of Technology. After that, I have joined to Jspiders at July 15 was my joining date of Jspiders. In that my first initially my SQL class was started. After that, my Java class was started. Like Shankar sir has taught me in the so good manner, great manner, that it is helpful for me to develop my coding skills. I come from non-IT background, mechanical, and the mocks and the test which they are giving is most helpful for me to crack the interviews, and the technical knowledge what they provide. After that, coming to my which company I got selected, I got selected to ICT Technologies with a package of 4 LPA and in the role of associate software developer.